everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy headband. I use 5mm hook and 5mm yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining, yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. I made 70 chains. I have 46 centimeters of these chains. You can make more chains and make larger than this size. I have 70 chains in here. Continue. You have your foundation chains worked, being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain, insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together and a slip stitch. Add 1 chain, go to this chain, take 2 yarns in here on your hook. I show, insert your hook, take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. Insert your hook into this chain. In here we have 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. Make 1 single crochet. We make 1 2 3 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7 8 9 and continue. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch in here. I made 1 single crochet in each stitch in here 30 times. I have 30 single crochet in here, and we made 70 chains. Make 30 single crochet, continue like this. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip stitch. Mark this stitch, go to next chain, make a slip stitch. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times. mark this stitch. Now we have 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 slip stitch. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet, make single crochet in each stitch. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and continue like this. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. I made 30 single crochet in here. Make last stitch, go to last stitch, make last single crochet, go to I show. Now we have 30 single crochet in here, 10 slip stitch, 30 single crochet. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make a chain. We made first round. In here, turn the work, take these loops on your hook, pull up yarn, make single crochet, pull up yarn, make single crochet, pull up yarn, make single crochet in each stitch. Continue like this. 1 single crochet from back loops, and continue. I made single crochet stitch in marked stitch, crochet from back loops, make a slip stitch, 1, mark this stitch, a slip stitch, 2, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to next stitch. I mark this, make single crochet, mark this stitch, from back loop single crochet, and continue. Make single crochet in each stitch, continue. Go to top of first chain, a slip stitch, make a chain, turn the work and continue same as before rows. Make 1 single crochet from back loop in each stitch. Go to back loops, make single crochet. And continue. Go to mark a stitch from back, make a slip stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, ten times. Go to next stitch, make single crochet, single crochet and continue. Go to first chain, a slip stitch, make a chain, turn it and continue same as before rows. I made these rows. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 rows in here. We have 30 single crochet, 10 slip stitch, 30 single crochet. In total 70 stitches.